my little reader. How are you today? Welcome to lesson 11. I am so excited to be here with you again for another lesson. Of course, we are going to start our lesson with our friend Earth. Say hi. Hi. And today, Earth is going on a very special adventure. It's his birthday. So, his parents are taking him to the toy store to select some toys that he's always wanted. Let's see what he's going to choose today. Are you excited to hear? I am. What are you going to choose, Earth? Okay, Earth says he's going to choose a bike. You do. Bike. 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 What else are you going to choose, Earth? Okay, Earth says he's going to choose a ball. Ball. You do. Ball. Ball. Yes. One more thing, okay? Okay. Earth says he is going to choose a cool remote car. 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 And this is where Earth says bye, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye. So now, my little reader, it is review time. Are you ready? Let's go. S, t, p, k, n, e, a, k, s, t. Your turn. Keep going. Good job. Well done. You did a remarkable job remembering these sounds. Fantastic work. It is now time for us to go into our new sound for today. So yes, my Mr. Box is here. Let's see what is inside today. Let me open it. All right, here we go. This is an egg. Say egg. 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 What else is inside? It's coming up. The arrow is pointing to the elbow. Say elbow. Can you touch your elbow? I can touch mine. This is my elbow. Go ahead, touch your elbow. Elbow. And the last thing from the mystery box, this is an envelope. Say envelope. Envelope. The envelope, the elbow and egg all begin with the sound. Your turn. Eh. What letter makes the sound? Are you ready to see it? Here it is. This letter makes the sound. Say What animal is here now? This is an elephant. 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 It's time for us to go into our workbook. It's lesson 11. Let's say the sound. Eh. Let's trace it. Go straight out, go up, and come right back around. Eh. And it's now time for you to color the elephant. You can pause the video right here and do your coloring. Now that you're finished with your coloring, go ahead and find, what are you going to find here? Tell me. Yes, you're right. The letter that makes the eh sound. Eh. Here you're going to circle the pictures whose names begin with the eh sound. Find the pictures whose name begin with the eh sound. 2 pictures are there. Can you find them? This is a kite. This is an egg. This is a cup. And this is an elf. So elf, cup, egg, kite. Circle the 2 objects that begin with the eh sound. It's time to write. And we have to start at the dot, right? So we go straight out, go up, and come right back around. Get that pencil ready, yes? Start at the red dot, go straight out, go up, and come right back around. Keep going. Good going. Writing the letter that makes the eh sound. And this is where we end for today. Bye. See you in the next lesson.